Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on Infinix mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting. From here you can scroll down to theme and lock screen. You just move on to theme and lock screen. From here you can see my wallpaper option, so click on my wallpaper option. So from here you are able to set any wallpaper. Okay, suppose I click on this wallpaper. Here click on the apply option, and here is the you can set for the home screen, lock screen, or for the bird. Okay, so you can change, or if you want to change, or if you want to set, you can. Okay, for the lock screen, home screen, or for the board. Okay, you just need to click on here and it will be applied successfully on your mobile phone. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.